still here, booted. As you can see here, I can't do anything. I can't upload my proof because this guy just keep booting. This guy, as you can see, he keep booting the fucking. Damn, that stinks. I hate that. So you can see here, I'm in the cell phone. I'm with the internet of my cell phone. I'm going to try to report the match. There. This is the internet of my cell phone. That's why I can't connect. Gonna try to report. As you can see here, I'm gonna zoom a little bit. Bostonking, Jade, Perfection Extended. They sent a cancel request, but I don't gonna accept it because he know what he doing. He know he's booting us, and that's just really lame. I'm gonna to report. Let's see if they report the match. Damn, error again. They don't report the match yet. I'm gonna to report it now because I am like 20 minutes boot. Let's report 2-0 and positive. So you can see here 2-0. I report score. Thank you. Necessary for the match. Alright, I just do that. But I am still boot. See right here. You must be signed into this was live to play. And I tried to sign in. So you can see here, and that's all. He forfeit. He just boot us. That's forfeit.